This is the second part of the Draw Tool tutorial. This time we're going to learn how to draw brush strokes. Let's open the document that accompanies the lesson. Our practical exercise for this lesson is to complete the right-hand drawing of the underwater life to match the one on the left. But before that, let's explore how the brush tool works. The brush is a sort of a special profile. By setting up width, angle, and diameter, we create unique profiles which give an artistic touch to our work. To enable such drawing, we should set a custom profile for the Draw tool in the control bar. With this profile, we can use the default brushes or previously saved ones. To access the brush library and their settings, open Stroke Settings menu in the Appearance panel and switch to the Brush tab. This is where we create new brushes or select the one that was saved before. Width, angle, and roundness define how a new stroke will look. Say if we set the width to 50 points, the angle to 300 degrees, and a roundness to 50%, the profile will look like this. Now let's fix the fish on the right side by adding scale to it. For this, we set the width to 23, angle to 40 degrees, and roundness to 50% in order to create a brush representing fish scales. Here we go. Something like this. To add a few elements to the seaweed, we need to change the angle of the brush a bit. To complete the drawing, I'll add several brush strokes to this sophisticated submarine. Both drawings now look identical to me. If you have an Apple Pencil stylus and want to use it to full extent, use the pressure-sensitive profile of the Draw tool. By selecting the pressure profile in the control bar, we can operate with the stylus. The more pressure you apply to it, the thicker the stroke becomes. To adjust how the stroke responds to pressure, use the settings in the control bar. Here, the width parameter defines the maximum stroke width. It mirrors the width parameter for a stroke in the Appearance panel. The variation parameter defines how much the stroke width changes depending on the pressure. With lower values of accuracy, the program smoothens the stroke width depending on the length of the path. So while you're drawing, the already drawn part of the path can readjust its stroke width automatically. To maintain the stroke width proportional to the drawing pressure, set accuracy to 100%. And that's it for drawing with the brushes and pressure-sensitive strokes. We encourage you to practice a bit with the sample document, and for more advanced training, try to trace a painting image using the Draw tool.